molecular mass of element, let us see the basic difference between atomic mass and molecular mass. Atomic mass is mass of an atom, but molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all the elements that are present in a molecule. Right, so if we suppose a molecule, say water, that is H2O molecule, then if atomic masses of 2 hydrogen atom plus 1 oxygen atom, right? So this would give the molecular mass of H2O molecule. Now, to calculate the molecular masses of element, one must know the atomic masses of elements of some commonly used compounds, elements like hydrogen has an atomic mass 1, carbon has a 12, nitrogen bears a 14 molecular mass, oxygen has 16, then sodium has 23, calcium has 40, sulfur has 32. Right? And if you want to calculate, suppose starting with the simple molecule like H2, and it would be equal to 2 times the atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 2 into 1, and this will be 2, and the unit is U. U stands for unified mass. This is the unit of atomic mass. Another molecule, say H2O, how do we calculate? 2 times hydrogen atom plus 1 of oxygen atom. This will be 2 into 1 plus oxygen has an atomic mass of 16, as we have seen before. So this would be equals to 2 plus 16, this is 18U. Now if we suppose O2 molecule, again similar to H2, this has 2 atoms of oxygen. This would again be equal to 2 into 16, and this is 32U. Let us see one more molecule, say nitrogen, N2. This has 2 into N of the nitrogen. So this will be equals to 2 into 14, and this is 28U.